Inari, which is one of my favorite shrines, at night. It's the only shrine that's open 24 hours, and the reason I'm going there is because I went there during the day, but I haven't been there at night, and I'm really excited to see what the experience at night will be. So we're on the train, and look, there's hardly any people.
Breathing in.
We've entered the gates and now we're walking through the tunnel. This is what it looks like when you're going up. And this is what it looks like behind us. It's really beautiful. Crickets. Breathing in. Breathing this precious, precious, precious moment. This present moment. This precious, 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 precious moment. This present moment. This precious, 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 precious moment. Walking back to the train station after Fushimi Inari, and it is so peaceful here. I think it has to do with the fact that it's really old here, and also that it's really
very much seated in spiritual practice and customs and ritual, which is something we don't have in America, which I think says a lot about our culture and the experiences that we have in our country, because we don't have that deep-seated self-respect and spiritual respect and mutual respect for others. So one of the joys and pleasures and blessings of being in Japan is that I've really grown to love the custom and the culture, and I hope to take some sort of aspect of it back.
This precious, precious, precious moment. Breathing in.